Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we are going to be making this card for our Make It in Minutes Monday video. What you're going to need to make this card is the Warm Toasty Stamp Set using the reindeer and our sentiment. Then you're also going to need Memento black ink. You're going to need the light pool party, dark real red, light and dark crumb cake, the dark smoky slate Stampin' Blends to color in our reindeer. Sheer real red ribbon, the real red basic rhinestones, some tape to adhere everything together. You're going to need a real red card base. Our granny apple green is going to be cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Our whisper white is 4 inches by 5 1/4. Our designer series paper is going to be 2 inches by 5 1/4. And then you'll just need scraps to cut out the ovals from the stitch shapes and then the oval dies as well. So let's get started making this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp my reindeer in Memento ink first so I can let it dry while I'm putting the rest of the card together before I start coloring it. While that's drying, I'm going to assemble our card base. So first I'm going to adhere the whisper white onto the granny apple green. Then I'm going to adhere our designer series paper on. Next, I'm going to take our sheer ribbon and I'm going to do a faux bow, if you want to call it that. I'm going to wrap around a piece of the ribbon around the card base and then we're going to make a bow separately. I'm going to take our bow maker and make that bow now. So with the reindeer, you're going to color in his face with his body with the dark and light crumb cake. Now that we have our reindeer all colored, we can go ahead and adhere it to our real red scallop circle. And we're going to adhere it to our card base using dimensionals. We're going to adhere our bow using a glue dot. Forgot to mention we'll be stamping our sentiment in real red ink. And then finally, we'll be adding our rhinestones on top. Now that we have our card front done, all we have to do is adhere it to our card base. And there you have it. This is our 5-minute card. Honestly, probably the longest part of this is coloring the reindeer in. Otherwise, everything's pretty simple. We hope you enjoyed this card. If you like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to make sure that you get notifications for all of our upcoming future Make It in Minutes cards. And then make sure to get all of the measurements in our blog post, which is in the description of this link. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.